do right here, you know what I'm saying? Taste the Goldie. Coming to you, a kitchen near you. You know, right now I'm whipping up birthday dinner for my brother. His birthday was Wednesday, so I told him I was gonna whip up for him, you know. So today I'm making a honey Chipotle Salmon Alfredo with a little something extra with a crab cake. Gonna do it up big for him, you know. So yeah, man. Got tap in. So what y'all wanna do? I season my sauce with the same thing I season the salmon with. So you're gonna have twice the flavor in the sauce and on the salmon. Thing is, you don't want to get lost in the sauce.
Can't get lost in the sauce.
For real. So that's salmon marinade.
What?
Yes, people out there, wash my hands.
Yes, sir.
That's number one. Make sure you wash your hands. Let them drink pieces cook first.
That's a good working with. That's crazy right there, boy. Tell them what that is right there.
That's some sauteed spinach. We add it up in there. We're gonna add this crab in here.
Look at that guy there. God damn, boy. If they want you to come to their house and cook this, how much, man?
Depends on what you want. If you want like a real exquisite dinner, 300. Want something slight, simple, you know, date night type things, I'm gonna say about 150, 200.
Okay. Yeah, man, I hit the man up. I see this, man. Oh my God.
We ain't even done yet. Now it's time to play.